Factor tree of 216. So 216, it can be written as 2 times 108. 2 times 108 means 216. So 108, it can be written as 2 times 54. 2 times 54 means 108. 54, it can be written as 2 times 27. 2 times 27 means 54. 27, it is 3 times 9. 3 times 9 means 27, and 9, it is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, these 2, 3, 3 and 3. So from these prime numbers we can write 216 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2, this 2, like as this 3, this one 3, and at last this 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.